Today's word is equivocal. It is an adjective. It means something that is unclear or has more than one possible meaning. When something is equivocal, it is confusing because it can be interpreted in different ways, often intentionally to avoid giving a clear answer. Similar words include vague, ambiguous, uncertain. The politician gave an equivocal answer, so nobody knew if he supported the new law. Her smile was equivocal. I couldn't tell if she was happy or mocking me. The instructions were equivocal, leading everyone to build the toy differently.
Did the teacher say we have homework tonight?
She was very equivocal. She just said, "We shall see what happens."
Emma uses equivocal to explain that the teacher's answer was not a clear yes or no, making it hard to know what to expect. Think of equivocal as a mix of equal and voicets, like having two voices saying different things at the same time. Use this word when someone is beating around the bush. Can you think of a time someone gave you an answer that was hard to understand because it could mean two different things?